Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this book, the first officially licensed book by Rolex. This is on the Oyster Perpetual Submariner, the watch that unlocked the deep. So it's pretty cool. It comes hardcover, plastic wrap, sealed, Rolex logo on the bottom. Here's the back. All right. Let me open this up. Actually, there's a slight opening here already, I think. No. There we go. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this book from. Wow. Cool, cool. Nice new book. Feel, smell. Dang. Looks like a lot of color photos, a lot of content. Great quote. Ooh, whole timeline. Oh, the James Bond one. James Bond wore one of these submariners in the movie. Great detail on this page. Green bezel. 50th anniversary. Very cool. Evolution of an icon. Super iconic watch. Pretty cool. They made a book on it. Yeah, let me know what you think of this book in the comment section below. Let me know if you have a Submariner, how you like it. And hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.